Hey team, and welcome to today's video, where we're going to be taking a look at how the find and replace function can help you quickly adjust and clean up your data in Excel. I have here a basic candy store spreadsheet that shows different candy store names, the candy they sell, and the numbers sold. Let's imagine I was recently informed that the candy store name for Snacks Baron has changed to Candy Baron. I could go one by one and change all instances of snacks to candy for the store name, but that's going to take a lot of time. Let's use find and replace instead to perform these functions. You can open up the find and replace dialog box by selecting Ctrl+H on the keyboard. And then as we discussed, I want to find all instances of snacks and change that to candy. I'll select replace all. And Excel will inform me that 2 replacements have been made and we can see the changes on our spreadsheet. In our next example, take note that I have 2 separate tabs with candy store spreadsheet information. What I'd like to do on each of these tabs is remove the state location from the candy store name that's in parentheses. Heading back to the original tab, I'll use Ctrl+H again to open up the find and replace dialog box, and click Options to open up some additional menu items. In the Find What dialog box, I'm going to enter the asterisk symbol in parentheses. The asterisk symbol is a wildcard character that asks Excel to find all data within parentheses. When I go to the Replace With dialog box, I'll leave this blank to remove all the text within parentheses. Now I'll open up the Within drop-down menu and select Workbook. This will tell Excel to check my entire workbook for this criteria and not just the existing tab I am on. When I select Replace All, Excel will let me know that 20 replacements have been made. And if I click OK and check my second tab, you'll notice the state locations have been removed from there as well. Now let's take a look at how to find and replace cell formatting. With the Find and Replace dialog box open, in the Find What section, I'll click the drop down for format. You have the ability here to choose the format you're wanting to find, or you can select Choose Format from Cell to target that format directly. After selecting Choose Format from Cell, click the cell with the formatting you want to target. Excel will then display a preview to you of the formatting you selected. For Replace With, I'll again select the Format drop-down, and this time I'll select the Format option to specify what I want to replace with. On the Fill tab, I'll replace with a white background color. Then I'll go to the Font tab and change the color for the font to black, and click OK. Now Excel will also display a preview of what the formatting will be replaced with. I'll select Replace All, and Excel let me know that 3 replacements have been made, and you can see the formatting has been removed. As a final tip, please keep in mind that sometimes you want to target specific cells for your find and replace options. To show you why this is important, let's say that I want to change the candy store name from Treats and More to Treats and More using the ampersand. If I type find what as and replace that with the ampersand symbol and select Replace All, you'll notice that Excel tells me 5 replacements have been made. That's because Excel found all instances of the word and, even if it was contained within another word such as candy. And that's why candy store name and candy name have been changed to C ampersand Y instead. I'll click Ctrl+Z to undo that previous step. This time I'll just highlight the candy store names that I want to update. Now when I select Replace All, you'll notice Excel has performed the function correctly, only 3 replacements have been made. Clicking Ctrl+Z again, another way to complete this function would be to enter Treats and More in the Find What box, and then enter Treats and More using the ampersand in the Replace With box. Now if I select Replace All, you'll notice again only 3 replacements were made. Team, I hope you enjoyed these tips today. Please like and subscribe to the channel for future videos and ring that notification bell. We'll see you in the next video.